Good morning. I'm actually making this video for this brown Howler a day early, since I've not only got nice temperatures this morning, it's about 8:45 in the morning. I've also got reasonably light winds, although the wind has picked up to, it's probably blowing 10 miles an hour. If I was on flat land, it's blowing from the south into my face, and I'm actually just a little bit over the rise down a little valley on this dirt road outside of town. So tomorrow is supposed to be considerably colder and windy, so I thought I better get out here and do this video today when I was doing the other ones that I've been doing for the rest of the calls that I posted up earlier this week. Catch my breath here a moment and we'll give her a whirl. I don't know whether you can hear it or not. I've been doing quite a bit of howling this morning making these videos. I've still got coyotes howling off to my right. Now I've got coyotes howling off to my west, or my left, to the east, and then also some back behind me to the northeast. But I don't know whether my microphone on my camera picks it up or not. I definitely got them worked up. Now I'll go down towards the base. Catch my breath here. I apologize. My asthma's finally taken hold, and I just don't have the air I properly need, even though these are super easy to blow. I'm a severe asthmatic, so it doesn't take much for me to get out of air. Again, I thank you for your time, and hope you have a beautiful day. Talk to you later.